What's going on, guys? I just got off of work. Super excited. My MP Concepts upper and lower grill finally showed up from American Muscle. Not my favorite place in the world, but yeah, pretty good option for the price and everything, and we'll see how it looks on my 2020 GT. I haven't opened the boxes yet, so I'm gonna open them up, see if there's any damage or not, and yeah, we'll go from there. I think this is the lower. Could be wrong. Oh, this is the upper. Looks to be in good condition. No damage. So this is the lower. I've heard a lot of things online about how the pictured lower has cutouts on the sides, kind of like on the RTR grills, but the new version doesn't. Damn. Well, it's not too big of a deal. Should still look pretty good, match the top bumper. I'm half tempted to take a Dremel and cut this out, because this looks pretty similar to the factory. But the big part is, I'll show you guys later, these lines line up with the MP Concepts upper grill. Yep, so there they are. There's the upper. And there's the lower. A lot of people were saying online that, and even I thought, in the picture, this is cut out. Kind of like how the corner here is cut out. But the new updated version, it's solid plastic. I wish it was cut out. Maybe I'll cut it out in the future, but for now we'll just slap her in and call it a day. There's not a whole lot holding these bumpers on. Oh, actually the belly pan's probably the hardest part. Bunch of push pins here. Take off the radiator cover. There are a bajillion screws down here on the belly pan and push pins. Gotta take out the fender well push pins. I think there's two 10mm bolts right here. The nicest thing about the new current generation of S550s is the bumper is stupid easy to line up. You know, I've built Hondas and stuff like that, and when you're working with body panels, it's really hard to get, I mean, at least for me, body shop guys probably have a pretty easy time, but getting everything lined up after you take it off is a pain. But with these, pretty simple. Just chuck it back on. I just want to show you guys how, well, let's just say your belly pan on your S550 isn't going anywhere. This is everything that holds just the belly pan in. There's like 25 screws there and some push pins. That's insane. Well, it's good to know my belly pan will probably never fly off, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. It's pretty impressive. Thanks, Ford. Yeah, I got the bumper off. Getting ready to put these new grille boys in, the glizzy boys. Taking the bumper off is pretty easy. The only downside of it is this Christmas tree is kind of a pain, and it's like mounted to this plastic piece right here. And yeah, I didn't want to take this off because I'm assuming this is like a spacer, you know, and all that stuff. And there's my itty bitty tiny horn. So unfortunately, my camera battery died filming the rest of that. The install went pretty good. The clips on the bumper are a pain, to say the least. I guess maybe just from it being new and everything, it was actually kind of challenging to get the factory grill off. Putting the new one on wasn't, you know, too big of a deal, but getting the old one off was quite challenging. I even have like trim removal tools and all sorts of stuff, but you know, it is what it is, and it's done. It's now dark outside. You might not be able to see it very well, but it turned out pretty nice. It's very clean. Fitments, 9 out of 10. There's some little spots like right here where it's a little off from the driver's side compared to the passenger side, but nothing you would notice unless you were really looking for it. So overall, pretty good fucking bang for the buck compared to, you know, Cervini or RTR, you know. I'm not a huge fan of the RTR grills. I mean, I'm not hating on anybody's, you know, style, but the lighted, you know, corner lights and everything is just not my thing. And for the money, this is like a clean, subtle upgrade from stock. You get improved airflow, things like that, you know. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. See you next time.